5 entries from Viavi Solutions for field and development requirements earned high score honoree status in the 2022 Lightwave Innovation Reviews. Among the field test instruments, Viavi's Fiber Complete Pro earned a score of 4.5 from our judges. Viavi's Fiber Complete Pro is the fastest and most versatile suite of uni- and bi-directional fiber tests and certification capabilities that enable field technicians to rapidly, reliably, and cost-effectively certify and troubleshoot any fiber link. It offers enhanced automation to significantly reduce the time and effort required for almost every aspect of the test and certification process. A range of applications deliver all the necessary fiber testing requirements, from basic insertion loss, IL, and optical return loss, ORL, to advanced bidirectional OTDR analysis. Said one of our judges, "I think this testing set automates the testing of installed fiber and prevents a lot of the practical difficulties, misconfiguration problems that we have seen." Viavi Solutions Nano OSA modules received a 4.0 score from our judges. Viavi's Nano OSA modules are the first optical channel verifier. The OCV 4100, an optical spectrum analysis module, the OSA 4100, to offer high-resolution performance coupled with full band coverage for XWDM channel analysis. The modules come in small, tough packages, field optimized for access and metro network applications. Both modules can support legacy services such as CoreWave Plus, traditional CWDM and DWDM, but are also future-proofed and ready to support MWDM and LWDM services. Quote, "The ability to accurately test and verify dense wavelength implementations will be critical for continued capacity growth," according to one of our judges. Having a module with these capabilities in this form factor supported in existing test sets will be very useful. Rounding out the field instruments, Viavi's Timing Expansion Module received a score of 4.0. The Timing Expansion Module, or TIM2, provides network engineers the ability to conduct frequent, if not continuous, checks on their networks to manage intercell interference. Together with the T-Bird 5800 or the OneAdvisor 800, the TIM2 provides network engineers the tests to keep their networks in sync. The TIM2 is Viavi's second-generation timing module, and it features a GNSS antenna and a miniature atomic clock to ensure nanosecond accurate measurements even when a satellite signal is not present and the module is running in holdover. The TIM2 also performs 1588 V2 PTP measurements with nanosecond accuracy. Accurately timing will be a critical component in future networks, so having this type of testing capability will be important, commented one of our judges. In the lab and production test equipment category, Viavi Solutions FVAI 2030 benchtop microscope garnered a 4.5 rating from our judges. The FVAI 2030 is the ideal microscope to control connector contamination throughout the production process. Equipped with 30 times optics, ultra-wide field of view, dual magnification, automatic focus, and built-in end-face analysis, the FVAI 2030 gives operators fast and complete visibility of the entire ferrule end face so that any contamination on or near the fiber end face can be quickly found and dealt with. By incorporating FVAI 2030 benchtop microscopes into production workflows, manufacturers will experience improved production yields and eliminate costly component damage caused by contamination that was previously not being detected. One judge described the FVAI 2030 as a benchtop microscope for connector inspection in manufacturing and R&D environments that provides advanced software features for analysis and automation. Finally, Viavi's ONT 800G Flex XPM module received a score of 4.0 in the 2022 Lightwave Innovation Reviews. Built for teams developing cutting-edge 800G optics, the Viavi ONT 800G Flex XPM module is the first test product able to support all pluggable 800G optics and protocols, as well as fully verify next-generation 100 to 800G protocol systems with a single device. It also is the industry's first fully integrated test product for module development, validation, and integration of QSFP DD800 and OSFP 800 transponders, including 400ZR. One judge called the ONT 800G Flex XPM module a superb product with a full complement of module support, protocols, stress testing, etc., required for the latest and greatest pluggable module development and validation.